In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your affiliate products on Clickbank. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So this is actually a super simple thing to do, guys. Once you have signed up to Clickbank and you have logged in, you'll be on your dashboard here. So as you can see, you'll be on your dashboard. And then from here, if you want to find affiliate products to promote, what you can do is come to the side here and then scroll all the way down until you see affiliate marketplace, and then you'll want to click on affiliate marketplace. And then once you've clicked on that, it will open a new tab, and this is what the affiliate marketplace looks like. And as you can see on the left hand side, there's a lot of categories here. So you've got like the likes of arts and entertainment, you've got e-business and e-marketing, health and fitness, home and garden, and the list goes on. And you can pretty much go ahead and promote whatever products you do like. So say if you are in the health and fitness industry and you want to promote affiliate products for health and fitness, what you can do is click on that, and then as you can see, the affiliate products do come up here. And if you want to get your affiliate product to promote this one, for example, what you can do is simply click on promote, and then it will bring this up here. And what you need to do is put in your account nickname. So for me, it would be Ryan2MT, and then from there you can put in your tracking ID if you've got one, and that's optional, so you can leave that blank if you like. And then from here, what you need to do is simply click on generate hoplinks, and then as you can see, this is the link for your affiliate product. So if we paste it in here and then click on go, as you can see, that has now redirected you over to this affiliate product. And as you can see in the search bar, my nickname is there, so you know for a fact that it is your affiliate link. So that's how you go ahead and find your affiliate links on Clickbank, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.